Today, I want to share with you the AutoCount Activity Stream module. This AutoCount Activity Stream module is actually not much different from the AutoCount Audit Trail module. Then there is not much difference. Now, both can check the user's activity and can know on which computer the activity was done, what password was used to log in, and what was done at what time logged in. So both functions are similar. One is a bit more detailed. Okay, the audit trail is more detailed, whereas the activity stream is not as detailed. All right, so I'll show everyone where the difference is. Okay, audit trail is free. In the tools audit trail here, it's free as long as you have access rights. You can log into this feature. However, for the activity stream, you must go to the program control module setting. Here, you must have this module, the activity stream module. So it's usually available after the Pro Edition, this activity stream. So for the activity stream, you go here. After setting that module setting here in Tools Program Control, after setting it, you still need to do one more action. Okay, otherwise it won't collect your activity stream. So you need to go to the tools option where there is an enable activity stream, and once you check enable activity stream, it will help you activate the activity stream. So after activating it, you can check the activity stream in this place, in tools here, also in tools here, activity stream. Okay, activity stream, so you can choose okay which month and day. Okay, so when you inquire, its activity stream will come up. What ID, what password, what department uses what computer name. The activity stream might only show some preview things, okay, what activities it did, and you can't see what item code it changed. These are more functional, and it can be filtered to only see the activities of certain users or certain documents. Only the audit trail has all these functions. What time, what was done, it will all be presented one by one. So this kind of activity stream is actually not much different from the audit trail, but you will notice, okay, if you have paid attention. This audit trail is more detailed. You see, it can go deeper. It can go into things like edits, deletions, approvals, and what time you log in. The activity stream does not have this. You cannot see what time you log in or log out. Moreover, the audit trail not only allows you to see these things, but it can also show, for example, I just want to see this edited one, okay, or create new. I just look at this edited one, okay. For example, I want to see the edited one. So you see here, it will carefully show below what changes were made to this advanced quotation. It deleted one of the items. One of the items was deleted. Oh, 2 items. What are these 2 items? Okay, or purchase. Invoice, you see it changed the supplier invoice number. It went from plans to fill in that purchase invoice. And not only can the audit trail see these detailed contents, but it can also preview and print these contents. Okay, if it needs to be used as evidence, it can be printed out. However, the activity stream here cannot do that. Okay, the activity stream here can only be viewed. It cannot be printed, previewed, or show what has been changed. It does not have detailed information. So why does AutoCount already have an audit trail that can do everything, yet still add an activity stream? Actually, this activity stream is for some managers or department managers to see if their department's employees are doing their work. So anyway, the audit trail is for higher level management, and the activity stream is for lower level management purposes. They are separate. And both of these functions can have access rights set. Then when you want to set access rights, let's say activity, then you search, there's a search here. So you type activity, there's a search here. After you type it, you see activity stream. Here you can choose to show it. You can allow access to this feature or say audit trail. Okay. Audit trail is the same. You can also see who has the authority to access this function. You can set both, including this audit trail. So who can access, preview, and export this report? Well, basically this function is that simple. If you have any questions, you can, if convenient, leave a message. So thank you everyone.